Okay, so I'm going to finish measuring the insects for lesson 713. So our ground beetle is 7/8. See, it goes right to that last eighth of an inch. So 7/8. And our damselfly is 1 whole and then a fourth, or 1 2/8, because those are those eighths lines. So 1 2/8. And the katydid, we're not going to measure its wings, just to the end of its body. And that is 1 3/4. But again, we have to turn it to eighths. So 1 6/8. Our little tiny ladybug, that one is 1 2 3/8. The Indian meal moth, that looks about 3/8 also. Yep. And the dragonfly, let me erase my marks on my ruler. Okay, and the dragonfly is all the way up to here, and that's again 1 3/4 or 1 6/8. And then the southeastern field cricket, that one is right here, so that's 7/8. Okay, so using all this information, you're then going to input things on the data collection, okay? So you're going to have to input all of this information for each of these different bugs, and then make your line plot here. And remember that up here our title would be insect lengths. Okay, and because we're measuring to the nearest eighth of an inch, I will say that here, nearest 1/8 inch. Okay, so we would start each spot here, and we would go by eighths, and our very shortest one we would list, and I think that was 3/8. So here we would have 3/8, then 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and then 1 whole, and then 1 1/8, 1 2/8, 1 3/8, 1 4/8, 1 5/8, and 1 6/8. And so make sure as you put each things on the line plot, you check them off. So I would start with page 264, and I know that my green lace wing is 5/8. So I would do a mark here for the green lace wing. And the boreal firefly is 3/8. And the paper wasp was 5/8. And the Carolina mantid was 1 6/8. And the green June beetle was 6/8. And I'm using the information from page 264 because I don't have it all here right now. The yellow bumblebee is 6/8. The red-legged grasshopper is 1 inch. And then the American cockroach is 1 4/8. Okay. Go ahead and finish inputting all of that information, and then you can answer the questions on page 267. If you have questions, talk to your teacher during office hours. Okay.